Does coffee replace sleep? Separating fact from fiction.
Can a cup of coffee really substitute for a good night's sleep? Many people reach for caffeine to fight tiredness and boost productivity. But is this popular habit helpful, or does it just mask how tired we really are? Let's separate fact from fiction to understand what coffee can and cannot do when it comes to sleep deprivation.
How caffeine affects the brain.
Caffeine works by blocking adenosine, a brain chemical that makes you feel sleepy. This stimulation can make you feel more alert and awake temporarily. However, while caffeine keeps you from feeling tired, it does not replace any of the essential restorative processes that occur during sleep. The effects are temporary and do not address true sleep needs.
Caffeine and productivity. The limits.
A jolt of caffeine may sharpen focus and attention for a while. But research shows that skipping sleep impairs memory, decision-making, and reaction time, regardless of how much coffee you drink. Even with caffeine, chronic sleep deprivation results in reduced productivity, errors, and increased health risks.
Health consequences of relying on coffee instead of sleep.
Replacing sleep with caffeine doesn't just fail to restore lost functions. Overusing caffeine to battle fatigue can lead to jitteriness, anxiety, digestive issues, and dependence. Long-term lack of sleep increases the risk of serious health problems, including heart disease, weakened immunity, and mood disorders.
The bottom line: coffee is no substitute for sleep.
Caffeine can temporarily mask tiredness, but it can't replace sleep. To stay productive and healthy, prioritize regular, sufficient rest. Enjoy your coffee in moderation, but don't rely on it to make up for lost hours in bed. When it comes to recharging your body and mind, there is truly no substitute for sleep.